What an epic experience! More than 2,000 kilometers of riding over a 9-day period. "12 beautiful passes with stunning views, twists and turns. A biker's dream." Estcourt, the first British settlement in the area, started out in 1847 when Clem Heeley established an inn near the drift where the wagon track crossed the great Bushman's River. The ancestors of the name Estcourt date back to the Anglo-Saxon tribes of Britain. At the time, the R103 was in a reasonable condition. But as with most roads in South Africa, you need to keep a watchful eye for potholes, as maintenance of our roads is sadly lacking, leaving a lot to be desired. Initially known as Bushman's River, due largely to its location near water, Estcourt was renamed in honor of Thomas Estcourt, an English parliamentarian who sponsored the immigration of settlers to that area. Ranks in the top 5 of the best B&Bs I have ever stayed at. Aberdeen House is a large Tudor-styled home with bay windows, set in a lovely garden with large trees and an abundant bird life. Colin was a most gracious host. Our accommodation was well equipped, spacious, air-conditioned and comfortable. What a wonderful breakfast!